fam, are you looking forward to own your own car, or you have been looking for a car on the internet, or you want to order a car and it has been a burden? The time is here for you to own your car without stress. GY Trading Company is here to help you get your dream car right to your doorstep. Relax and take a look at some of their cars. And when you are done, I'll give you their contacts. +819056477409. Contact them now and your car will be at your doorstep.
Hello guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. This is another episode and I promise my audience to bring quality video content that is very useful, content that is very insightful, that people want. So this is what we do here. It's all about quick updates, and this is going to be awesome content. If you are here and this is your first time discovering me, or you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, please don't hesitate to do so, to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like my video, make sure you comment, and then click the notification bell to stay updated so that you won't miss any post on this platform. I recommend one company to you. If you are in Ghana, if you are in Africa, any other country, and you want to buy a car, buy a spare parts, I recommend GY Trading to you. GY Trading is a big company, big institution that sell car. It updates about Ghana Citizenship app. If you want to upload this app and get all information about this app, I urge you to upload Ghana Citizens app. So let me take you to the screen and figure out. Okay guys, to log into Ghana Citizenship app on your phone, you need to do certain things, and this is step by step. So number one, download the app and install it, which will give you some security test to give a facial recognition picture, then you are good to go. So Ghana Citizenship app is installed on your phone. You can get from your device, App Store, Google Play Store, or what. So first of all, you need to insert or dial your Ghana card number before you can log into this app. And after that, the registration number, that's the phone number you use to register the Ghana card, you have to dial it here so that they can send you an SMS code, which is one-time opt code. So I've got it and I'm setting it. We are going to see more features because this, you can apply a job on this app. People say there's no job in Ghana. All the government institutions jobs are being applied on this app, so you can apply a job here. So the interface has opened. As you can see, these are my details. You can hear the public notice. We have about 23 notice here. So if you want to see how you can apply the job, click on your profile icon. Then on top there, you can see I am an unemployment looking for a job. You click the interface, you open. As it opens, you select the type of job you want, the field of your interest, then you click it, you verify it, then you write your employment summary, add your email to it, then click send. That is all. They will contact you on your email. It is more important, so use an active email. So you have done with this one. That is how to apply a job on Ghana Citizenship app. If you are a graduate sitting at home, or even an individual person looking for a job, this app is for you. It is very important, very active. I'm telling you, try and tested it, put into practice. Don't sit down and looking for a job. There are more jobs here. All the jobs in Ghana are connected here. Private sector, Ghana, government institution, all jobs are applied on this particular software. So you have to be react fast. If you get this video, share to people, share. Let all people, citizens in Ghana across the country get it, because there are a lot of opportunities on this software app, especially those looking for a job, those who are unemployment. This app is for you. You can check everything here. So this is what I'm doing, and I have select my interest because I am mechanic. I have to select engineering. Once I selected it, I click it. You go to the process, follow the steps by steps. You fill in the form, then you send. You are good to go. You have applied a job. After that, they will contact you on email. Maybe you send your CV or go to an interview. That is it. It is better to do this on your phone. If you apply a job directly on government institution, they will not call you or even assist you, because all the people are using this software to apply for a job. So this is the secret I'm telling you. Once you click your profile icon, there is an option there. Click on it. The type of whether you are accountant, whether you are everything, whether chartered accountant, business personnel, carpenter, whatever, IT specialist, everything, engineering, everything is there. Try it, let it work for you, because this is the job status. I am doing it for me. I'm not an unemployment, but I am setting an example for how to apply it. If you find anything difficult on this app, come and connect on the comment section. Let me see your comment. We can assist you to enter use this software. It is very simple to use it. You can download it, install it on your Apple app store or Android phone. Once you install it, you click it, the system will allow you to take a picture. That's your face recognition. Then you are good to go. After that, this is the status. After that, you put in your Ghana card number, then you add your phone number, you receive an SMS, you put in, you click it, you are good to go. That's the interface. And it is very simple as that. So this is my interface. I'll make sure to blur it so that people can see. So you can check your electricity. You see that my electricity portal. You can add your meter, you check your balance, everything on it. You can buy credit on this app. You can check your water bill, pay your water bill on this app. You can check your car insurance on this app. Once you dial in your car number, the interface will pop up. When the interface pop up, you are good to go. So this is what I'm doing, and my car insurance is what up to date. So once you dial in your car number, you can see the active insurance you are using. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to call anybody. This app, you see, this app is once in a million. It can give you everything. All the government institutions, government works, companies, jobs in Ghana here are on this app, including everything. So this is the update of the insurance. It's very simple. Share this video, share to many people. So you can check ECD, water, insurance, what tax paying, SNET, police information. You can check everything is here. Once, if you want to check your business status and your tax information, you can click here. Once I click, and you can see business information. Accra Metropolitan Assembly. This is their business operating permit bill, and After that, is to give you your tax, your bill for the month. You don't need to walk through any office. You can pay your bills here. That's the digital. Pay your bills here on this app. Pay your tax, income tax on this app. Everything. Pay your VAT on this app. So this is the business information. Once you click on that, you can see your total amount that you have to pay for the month. You are good to go. This is the operating system and it is very simple. So if you use this app, the benefit from this app is, awesome, is it? It's crazy, man. It's very crazy because me, I did a lot of research. So every good thing that will help my audience and Ghanaians, even those outside diaspora, I did everything. You can check your SNIT information here. If you want to see, if you are a SNIT contributor, this is the portal. You just click in, you fill in your SNIT number, your security number, then your SNIT portal password. That is it. You are good to go. The SNIT portal password is your first full name in capital and your date of birth. Then the portal will open. You can see everything, your contribution for the year, monthly. That is it. You are good to go. So me, I've been using it, and every good thing I have to share it to my audience. Every good thing I have to explore it. You don't need to go to Senate office to check your portal. You can do it right here on this platform. Anytime, any day, any hour, any minute. It is simple as that. And this is digitalization for you. So this government is also doing well for the fact that there's challenges in our economy. But when it comes to those digital platforms, they are doing marvelous things. So these are the news portal. We have Ghana Police, we have Ghana Police, we have Ghana Meteorological Agency. So these are the what update for today. We have what Ghana College of What Institution, their annual scientific meeting, 21st annual scientific meeting. We have what GRA portal. They also have their news here for the day. Then we have Africa, Ghana Excellence of Kofi Annan. This is what they are doing here. These are the more information you can get and the benefit you can get from this what app. So you don't need to stress yourself. Ghana National Petroleum Authority, they also have an update here. They say what together we end violence and against women. What we end violence against women. That is their news. We have Ghana what stock exchange rate. So this is the dollar rate, buying and selling, Great Britain pound buying and selling, euro buying and selling. All these updates are here. You don't need to go on social media. You just open this one click, then for this app, and then you are good to go. We have also what GSC, we have Ghana, Meteorological, Ghana, what blah blah, everything. This is the government of Ghana. If you want to find information from government of Ghana, this is their contact. You can call them. The office representative will pick it. Then you are good to go. A lot of things are on this app. So TDC Phase 4, this is the information, Ministry of Information. They also have their update here, what they are doing currently. Then this is what Office of the Special Prosecuting. They also have information for this coming election. Your vote is your power. Your vote is powerful. So you have to use your vote wisely. That is their pressure. This is also information. We have Ghana Investment Promotion. We have Ghana Armed Forces update here. We have National blah 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 blah, National World Peace Council Elections Symposium. They also have their news here. Everything is on this app. So we have to react fast. So I'll repeat again. Okay, and then we have Environmental Protection Agency. They also have their what air quality update here. They want us to stay safe, get better air to good Ghana Commission for UNESCO. We have Ghana Police Service. So one thing I want to clarify again, if you are a graduate or any other person looking for a job and you don't have what anywhere to find a job, you have applied many letters but no what avail, no response. Go to this app. Once you have a Ghana card, download it, install it on your phone, use it to apply for a job. Apply as many jobs you can, you will get employment. Government has structured this for the graduate Ghanaian citizens, but no one will tell you. The government will not come out and announce to you unless you are a smart person, unless you are what literate.